I'm going to show you how to fix cursor freezing, jumps or disappears in Windows 10 or 11. And even this method will work in Windows 7 and 8. So guys, to resolve this problem, just follow some easy steps. First method you can try, click on Start, type Control Panel, open Control Panel and select View by as large icons, and in this list you have to find out mouse. Click on it. Now here click on pointer options. Now uncheck this hide pointer while typing. Then click on apply. Then click on OK. So it's the first method, and if this method not work, so try second one. Type here find fix. Now click here find and fix problems. And guys, here click on other troubleshooters. In this list guys, you have to find out hardware and devices, and once you see hardware and devices, so click on run. And also guys, you can run troubleshooter in program compatibility, and hopefully this will resolve this problem. And guys, still you are facing error, so you can try third method. In Windows 11 you will not find this option, but if you are using Windows 7, 8 or 10, so you will see option here hardware and devices. So run troubleshooter on hardware and devices. And also guys, you can try third method. In control panel, click on mouse and click on pointer options and uncheck this enhance pointer option, then click on apply, then click on OK. Now close it. And still you are facing error, so try fourth method. Click on start, type device manager, open device manager. Now here expand mic and other pointing devices and right click on your mouse driver, update driver, search automatically and close it. Similarly you can try in second one. Close it and restart. And still you are facing error, so you can uninstall this mouse driver and restart. So once you restart, it will automatically fix some mouse related problems. And also guys, you can try another method. Right click and properties, driver, and guys, if you will have the option rollback driver, so click on rollback driver and click on OK. So hopefully guys, using these some easy and quick method, you can fix and resolve mouse related problems. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.